Hello, this tutorial is going to hopefully help you in purchasing your Homecoming 2022 dance tickets. First thing you need to do is make sure you have access to the My School Bucks app. You will need to be able to log into your account. So if you need any assistance with this, just contact the school and let them know that you're having trouble logging into your My School Bucks account, and they will get you all the information that you need for that. Once you're able to log into My School Bucks and have access to your account, we'll go ahead and get into our app right here. I'm getting logged in. And then you will see when the screen pops up, it'll have all of your account information, any lunch money you might have for your child. And at the very bottom in the middle, there's a store button. So if I push that icon down in the middle, all of my options will pop up. And so I'm going to choose a student ticket. They're nice and highlighted right there at the top. If you have more than one student, make sure to select each one separately and then put in parent or guardian name. Try to type better than I'm doing. So whatever the parent name is, put that there. And then a phone number that you can be reached at. And then there's all the agreement information. So check that you agree and then add that to your cart. There's also the Homecoming regulations that you could click on to read all the rules that pertain to the dance. So I've added that to my cart. Now we're going to go ahead and assume that I have a date for the dance. And so I'm going to buy a guest ticket. Very similar process. It gives me a little bit more information. I have to let the school know where my date is from, what year in school my date happens to be. And then I put my guest's first name, and then my guest's last name. I only need to put their student ID if they are a 211 student, so if they go to any one of the 211 schools. Otherwise, that information is not necessary. Their date of birth, just to confirm that they are under 21 years of age and at least of high school age. So junior high students and anybody 21 or older is unfortunately not allowed to be a guest at our homecoming. And then my guest phone number, their parents' names, so very similar process for purchasing the student ticket, and you would go through this for each student. So like I said, if you have more than one student here at Palatine, you go through the same process. Just select the other child's name on that first menu. Add this to the cart, and there we go. Now I've added both tickets to the cart. I can see in the upper right hand corner 2 items. So I click on the cart. There are both of my tickets. And then I can go ahead and click checkout. And then I would select a payment method. Oops, it brought me back to here. I accidentally hit the screen. So now I'm going to select a payment method. I could choose, if there's already a method that I have saved in there, I could choose that. If I've never used My School Bucks before, then I would have to add in a payment method. And there you go. Once you put your payment method in, click Pay Now, and you're all set. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the school. Otherwise, we hope to see you at the homecoming dance.